March 4, 2025, this beautiful looking phone was launched. And yes, it's Nothing Phone 3A. But here's the big question. Should I buy this phone for its camera? So in order to test that, me and my friend went to Forum Mall in Bengaluru. But wait, there's a serious camera bug in this phone, so watch the video till the end to know about it. So thank you so much, brother, for giving me this phone and making this video possible. Love you. So these are the images clicked with the primary lens of this phone. It's sharp, clear, and the colors are vibrant. It produces consistent colors, and yes, it's good. Nothing has done magic to the cameras. It shows natural, good skin tone colors. Now we also clicked some ultra-wide pictures in this phone. So this phone has 8 megapixel ultra-wide sensor, and yes, it takes good photos. But since it has an 8 megapixel sensor, it lacks sharpness, but the colors are good. Unlike other phones, it produces vibrant colors, which really makes the images stand out. Now we also clicked some portrait pictures in this phone, and yes, the photos are really good. The edge detection has improved a lot, so it doesn't mess up with the edges. It gives clean background blur, that bokeh effect in your photos. So portrait pictures are sharp, so throughout the images it was consistent, so no issues with that. So these are the high resolution images taken with a 50 megapixel lens. So if you want some super sharp images, then this phone can surely deliver it. So this phone has 32 megapixel selfie camera and it takes great photos. But it smoothens the skin tone even when the beauty filter was turned off. So it looked a little unreal, but overall it's good. So you guys can hide your pimples and dark spots with this phone. So now we tested this phone in low light and we shot in night mode. So here are the images. The images have details but also some grains. So I can't say the images are great, but it serves its purpose and gets the job done. So we tested the slow motion in this phone, and this phone shoots slow motion in 1080p 120 fps. So take a look at the video samples, and again, no complaints. So this phone has optical image stabilization. To check its functionality, here is a fast motion running footage. So take a look at the video sample. But guys, you can't depend on its stabilization because it's stable but gives super high jitters, making the video almost unwatchable. So I strongly recommend using a gimbal with this phone for smoother video. So this is the 4K recording footage taken from the rear camera of this phone, and yeah, it looks super cool with great sharpness and less grain. So unfortunately, this phone cannot record in 4K 60 fps. So if you want to record in 60 fps, then you can record in 1080p resolution. So this video was recorded by the front camera of this phone, and the resolution was set to 1080p 60 fps. Yes, the front camera can record up to 60 fps in 1080p resolution, which is great. So hello brothers and sisters, this is KRISH TECHMY, and now the audio is directly coming from this Nothing Phone 3A. Please tell me how is it? And this is the audio quality of Nothing Phone 3A. So if you guys stayed till here, a big thanks from my side. So now I'll tell you the real camera bug issue. So while clicking the pictures, we faced a weird bug which gave a greenish look on the actual image. So when I transferred that image to the PC, it actually showed pitch green color. But in the phone, it was looking like this. I don't know if that's a bug or any camera feature. If you guys know, let me know in the comments. Conclusion. Should you buy this phone? So if you are looking for a phone with a great camera, then you should definitely buy this phone. And again, I'm not recommending this phone based on its CPU or GPU performance. I'm only recommending this phone based on its camera performance. So keep that in mind. So if you're a content creator or if you want some ultra level photos and videos, then I don't recommend this phone. You have got a lot of options. Just do a Google search, you will get to know. So that was all about it, guys. Goodbye.
Microphone check, make it a microphone check. Give it a microphone, I make it a microphone dead.